Hey everyone, it's Scarecrow Show. I wanted to provide an update to my previous video where we installed the Manhunt patch with the widescreen fix. I've gotten a lot of great feedback. However, I feel like I can do a better job on this video and better explanation. So getting into that, this patch is going to fix the game from freezing. After the second enemy, you come to the painkillers, and after picking them up, the game will crash. So that's what this is going to resolve. I'm going to do some gameplay without the patch installed and without the widescreen fix. So I already have Manhunt installed. I'm going to skip ahead. I don't want to bore you guys, but I just want to show all the gameplay and everything, just to show that everything is legit. Everything is working on my end after we installed the patch and the widescreen fix. And I just really want to take a little bit of a slower approach to everything and just go step by step. So let's just get into this. And this is where the game is going to crash. I've done a couple of things as far as trying to avoid this first painkiller and the second one, and I went to that VHS also there to avoid it from crashing. It seems like no matter what you try to do as far as not installing the patch, just trying to do little workarounds, the game's going to crash. So let's just go ahead and do this in the name of science. And it's when you pick it up, when you pick up the painkiller, that's when the game crashes. So bam. And the game crashed. That's the issue we're currently having with this, or that's what I'm working on here, or what we're about to do. So the game unfortunately has crashed. It's not working properly without the patch. If you want to know where your saved games are, it should be under Documents, Manhunt User Files, Save Games. So they're still there, thankfully. And I did make a copy just in case because I was a little afraid. So if you want to back it up, you can do that prior. I would recommend to do that. We'll just go ahead and uninstall Manhunt. Just right click on Manhunt, Properties, and then we're just simply going to go to Local Files and then Uninstall Game. Alright, I am going to go ahead and restart my PC, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back, guys. I have uninstalled Manhunt and I have restarted. I'm going to install Manhunt. Now, one thing, make sure to not run Manhunt at this point. Make sure to go to Community Hub. And we're going to go right here. How to run Manhunt on Windows Vista, XP 7.8, all the above. I am currently running this on Windows 10, 64-bit. I have not ran this game on anything else. Yeah, I've done this on 4 different PCs at this point, and all of them have worked properly. So after you click on that, we're going to go just here, and this will, of course, take you to an external website. And once you're here, we are going to go to download this file. And I'm just going to go and download it, even though I do already have it. And I would just go ahead and save to your desktop. Keep in mind it is a zip file, so you are going to have to uncompress everything. Go ahead, or extract everything, or whatever you want to call it. And we have now extracted it. And now we are going to do the widescreen fix. So you can go ahead and close this, and I'm going to actually do something different for my first video. I'm not going to go back to the community hub for that for the widescreen fix. We're actually going to use Google, and this should be the first result. Just type in Manhunt widescreen fix, and it's this first website here, www.moddb.com. There is more of a URL to it, so that is the website. If you go to that main website, you do have to search for it, but I would recommend just doing this Google search. It'll be the first thing, and then hey, look there's my first video. But anyways, this will take you right to it. Go ahead and click on that. This is a safe website. Here we're just gonna go to download now. And if it doesn't pop up, you do have this option here just to click there. If it doesn't automatically pop up, it does say that, if it doesn't automatically start. So go ahead and save as again, and it is another zip file. So we are going to have to extract it again. All right. And again, if you want to get to the local files for the game, just right click on Manhunt, Properties, Local Files, and then it's going to be Browse Local Files. This test app is very important, so keep in mind if you don't see this test app, please leave a comment, or you can add me on Discord. It's Scarecrow Show, Scarecrow and then space show 7763. So one of the first things we're going to actually do is we're going to delete the original Manhunt application. Okay, now we are going to finally copy and paste or drag the files over to the Manhunt local file folder. And we'll do the patch first. Okay, and we're going to do the same thing for the widescreen fix. So just copy and paste, or you can drag to the Manhunt local file folder. Now we need to do the patch, so we're going to do run patch. And now if you have to, you can right click and run as administrator. So but I'm just going to do it this way. And of course, press any key. Okay, so this is where the test app is going to come into play, and as I mentioned, it is important to have this. If you don't, I've had feedback that there's been no success. Well, just like the patch run, we're going to run as administrator or right click on Manhunt Fix and then press any key. And I don't know if you noticed that test app just changed to the new Manhunt application. That lets you know right then and there that you've installed this patch correctly. And again, you do have to do patch run first, then Manhunt Fix .bat. Right there, we're good to go from here. And you don't have to restart. You can just go ahead and load up the game. And we'll do the same thing again. I'm going to load up the game here. I just wanted to bring one thing up, that the widescreen fix is already working at this point. I'm going to settings to change the gameplay to widescreen. And creating this update, I was able to confirm that there is a difference between the two. It's a little difference, but enough where I can notice it. So it is working, and then I'm going to go ahead and skip forward, and we'll just get to this. Okay, and now I present to you Manhunt. So now you can enjoy the game, and we can continue here. that brings us to the conclusion of this update. I really hope that worked out for you. Thank you for watching. If that worked out, please hit that like button. If not, leave a comment. Let me know what issues you ran into, or you can hit me up on Discord, Scarecrow Space Show 7763. If you also want to catch me live on Twitch, it's twitch.tv/Scarecrow Show. Catch me most of the time there. That's everything, guys. Y'all have a great day.